I don't know how to open it.
What's in that one?
I think that might be the two things. You clued in.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Daddy! Daddy!
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Meadow,
Show Zoe.
pay attention. Let me see. Who is that?
Dolph Ziggler.
Show her what else is in your bag.
Check it out.
Who's that?
You haven't seen it?
Cool.
That's
Okay.
cool, eh?
Now, Meadow, the next one you have to open is that white one.
This one?
Yep.
Move stuff out of the way.
Put the bag in that hole.
It goes with the guys.
What is it?
It's the wrestling part.
The what
It's
part?
it's the ring.
Yeah, the slam ring. Isn't that cool? Check it out.
Let's see.
I got the slam ring.
Cool.
Isn't that awesome? Now you can wrestle.
I always wanted this thing.
I know.
I got John Cena.